Hello, Tutor English Mate. I'm Cristian Camilo Ramirez Lambo. I'm 25 years old. I'm a student in English of foreign language. Today I'm going to talk about the phonics and phonology. It's important to remember that the phonics symbols are divided in three groups. The first group is vowels, the second is consonant, and the third is diphthongs. The sound of the three groups that spoke it's controlled that information phonics alphabet. Also, is something important. Remember that in English it's necessary to learn the long and short, clean, and high sounds. In relation to the vowels, we have 12 different sounds. Start. Okay. These letters sound E. E. For example, cheap, three, read. These letters sound E. E. Sit, hit, fit. The difference between two letters is the same, but the difference is it is short and this is large. Now, this letter is U. U. For example, good, look, put. In this case, this letter is U, but it is large. For example, should, you, to. These letters sound E. E. For example, bed, man, egg. This letter is so difficult. Excuse me, too difficult. For example, teacher. In this expression, the sound is in this part. Teacher, teacher. Mother, enemy, enemy. Now, this letter sounds E, bird, shirt, girl. This sound is O, door, horse, fur. It's important to remember that in this letter, the sound is with the open mouth. This sound is complicated because it's in median of the mouth. The tongue will go to the median of the mouth. Cut, flock, fa. Now, this letter is A. For example, up, but, cup. The sound of the vowel is the open mouth. A is A, but with the open mouth. Now, the difference between this letter and this letter, this is calm, is large, calm, part, loud. Now, this letter is O, but it's a letter short. Clock, hot, not. Now, starting with the sound of the consonant. It's necessary to have in account that the consonant is very important in the pronunciation of the word. Start. Glass, hidden, cold, short, chicken, native, Matthew. This symbol is very, very important now because this symbol mean that the mouth is a little closed, but the tongue towards the teeth. For example, faint, think, three. This symbol sounds that, that, sit, father. Now, shoe, shoe, fit, fit, she, she. This letter is B. B is so simple. Back, big, web. Now, this other letter simple. D, D, dance, hit. This letter sounds G, sh, she, glass, big, girl. Now, this letter is huge, large, chin. Now, this letter is F, F, bun, beaver, cover. This letter is the sound. It's complicated, but not impossible. It's S, rose, rose, lazy, lazy. This one is fun, leaf, face. Now, this one is measures, vision, lasers. This one is zoomer, camera, room. This one is sun, winter, never. This one is similar. It's similar to this, but the difference is the sound is more large. For example, sink, sink, wink, rink. Now, this sound is ha, ha. For example, hum, hit, heavy. This sound is lamp, kill, little. This one is red, hurry, right. This one is sand, sit, ice. Okay. And with the consonant. We, feet, walk, work. And this one is jet, you. Yes. Okay. Now, speak sound of diphthongs. It's important to remember that diphthongs are when the word is sound for two vowels. For example, here, hit, 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 did, near, he, three. sure, sure. Make, make, make. Say, they, they. Boy, enjoy, void. Go, go, boat, snow, tour, tour, tourist, poor, bite, fight, cry. Now, hold, down, go, boat, snow, tour, tourist, poor. Thank you so much, my dear classmates and tutor. It's my presentation of the phonetic and phonology language.